Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I am here with a healthy snack recipe that is vegetable oats cutlet. This is very good for all the members of the family, so let's get started. The ingredients needed for making oats cutlet are 1 cup of oats, about 1 cup of grated carrot, about half a cup of coriander leaves, 1 or 2 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, about 1 cup of finely chopped onions, about half a cup of capsicum finely chopped, about half a bottle gourd grated by peeling off the skin. So I am not grating it and keeping because it will become darker if I keep it outside. So freshly we have to grate it and use it for the cutlet. About 3 tablespoons of curd. If you don't have, you can substitute it with lemon juice. About half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste. Even you can add some spinach leaves and any other vegetable of your choice in this cutlet. Now we have to mix all these veggies and ingredients together to make the cutlet. So add in the carrots, the grated bottle gourds, some capsicum, some onions, some grated ginger, some chopped green chilies, some spinach leaves, some coriander leaves, oats, some salt to taste, about half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, about 3 tablespoons of curd. If you don't have, you can use lemon juice or even you can use amchur powder if you don't have curd or lemon juice. Mix all these ingredients nicely and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. No need to add any water. After 15 minutes of resting, our veggies have oozed out lot of water, so the oats have become sticky. No need to add any binding agent like cornstarch or boiled potato or rice flour. Just it is very easy to roll it into cutlet shape. Now take a griddle, make it hot, apply some oil about 1 teaspoon. You can apply some oil or water on your palms so that the cutlets don't stick, and roll it into desired shape and place it on the griddle. It's a very healthy way of making the cutlet because we are not using much of oil. Only very less oil is required. We have to reduce the flame on a low to medium flame. We have to cook these cutlets so that the veggies and the oats, they get cooked nicely. When one side is done, you can flip the cutlets to the other side. So our tasty and healthy cutlet is ready. You can serve it with any kind of chutney or tomato sauce or ketchup. So enjoy it with a hot sip of tea or coffee. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.